In this video, we're going to learn about more likely or less likely. So if we have a problem like this that says, on which color is the spinner more likely to land? So for this, we have more green and we have less yellow. So it would be more likely that we would land on the green. So the answer to this is green. If we had more yellow, we would pick yellow, but it is less likely to land on yellow because there's more green. So that's the answer. And if you need other problems like this, if you look in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook and follow along this exact lesson in the ebook. And don't worry, anyone can do math.